A nursery sells tulip plants. Each plant has one tulip. The tulip comes in 4 different colors. The tulip plants available at the nursery are listed below. All right, so 22 plants have a red tulip, 30 plants have a pink tulip, 28 plants have a yellow tulip, and 20 plants with a white tulip. Amy purchases 1 tulip plant at random. What is the probability that Amy's tulip plant has a tulip that is not pink? All right. So with probability, the probability is found by figuring out how many objects we want out of the total amount of objects. Now, the nice thing about this problem is we don't know, actually. I was going to say, I thought maybe they told us at the beginning how many total tulips we have, but we don't know that. So the total is going to be found by adding 22 plus 30 plus 28 plus 20, which is actually 100. That's perfect. I can do that mentally. So the total is 100. Now, I want ones that are not pink. So I want either red, which is 22, yellow, which is 28, or white, which is 20. 22 plus 28 is 50, plus 20 is 70. So what we want is 70 out of 100. Now also what we want is not pink, and pink is 30, and if I know I have 100, that I don't want 30, which leaves me with 70, but that's okay. 70 over 100 is divisible by 10, both of them. Simplifies to 7 out of 10. And so the answer for this one is going to be C.